Hey there, Ivana here, and this is going to be eLasso demo. Now, before we continue, I wanted to ask you if you are familiar with this sound, or maybe this sound, or even this sound. Well, big giants such as Facebook, Google, and Skype, they are using sound effects to get people back to their website. And that is exactly the problem that eLasso solves. Now they will be coming back to your website. Let me show you how. Many people have way too many tabs open, and the thing is, none of these tabs really are getting the attention of people to come back and open any one of them. But eLasso changes that. Let me show you what it can do. So let's go over to eLasso JV page right now, and right in here, nothing special. There's my video, the sales page, and most people are gonna open it and they won't come back to it. But let's go back here, and as you can see right now, the message starts popping right here, and this little notification is what brings people back. Now in a second I'll get the sound notification as well. There you go, and this is what's going to make people look up to see what's happening. So as this is switching right now, people want to know what this is all about. So once they come back here, I actually redirect them to any page that I want, or I can just leave them on the page. It depends how I set up my settings. And right now I'm actually getting them to apply for their affiliate links, because this is on my JV and affiliate page. Now let me show you inside of eLasso. So we are inside of the app right here, and it is very simple to use. All you need to do is add in the domain name right here, and you just do that by typing in HTTP and whatever the domain name it is that you want, and you just click on add a new domain. Once that is done, you scroll down and select the domain that you just added. In my case, I just added eLasso right here, and I want to install the eLasso on my sales page. So what I need to do is add a new campaign. So I just click on new campaign and name it eLasso sales page new, and this has to be enabled, so make sure. And then right in here I want to have a different message that comes up, so I can say, hey, did you forget to pick this up? Or I can say, get your links right here if it was for my JV page. Then text effect, I want to have it switched. Then favicon, I want to have color that. You can install your custom image as well. And since my theme is kind of greenish, we'll go with that. So this is also that you have to enable sound. Then you have 47 different sounds to choose from. I normally like to go with notification number 10. Now you can always test the sound, and if you want to increase or decrease the volume, you can do that right here as well. And as soon as you change it, the test shows you how it sounds, But in this case, we'll just go with the 10 and we'll go with the 30 because I think that is high enough. Then activation delay, I will add that to be 3 seconds because I want this to activate after 3 seconds. Now, if I had a downsell page, I can redirect people to that page or just click on do nothing. So if I wanted to redirect, I just select here the new URL in here. So what's really important is to copy this script and go up here, click on update settings. And now I need to go over to my page, which would be eLasso. I need to go over to my page, which is eLasso, and just click on pages and click on edit sales page preview that I'm working on. I use the InstaBuilder on this. So in InstaBuilder, I have script code, and right in here, I paste this script. So if I was to open this right now, okay, I'll just go over to this website for a second. So as you can see at the very top, this started getting activated. In a second, the sound will happen as well. This triggers me to open up this page to see what this is all about. Now, obviously, I did not have any redirect, so people would just stay on this page. But if they were to go over to Warrior Plus, let's say, for example, again, the message starts flashing, the sound will happen, and this is what brings back people. Now, I wanted to share with you one other thing. Okay, if we take a look at some of the stats right here, this was used on SenseDrill, and I had the redirect and the JV page. As you can see, for the JV page, I actually ended up getting 77% people to come back. On my main sales page, it was 46% that came back, but on my downsell, out of the traffic that I was lost, out of those, I reactivated 73% of people, and that means that 73% or over 2,000 people actually visited my downsell page. It is the traffic that would have been lost. You can use eLasso to redirect to any page that you want. Squeeze pages, CPA offers, sales pages, name it. It really does work. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.